May the Lord guide and pave your way with fragrance of life, conceived in His light for always. If the road that you travel now seems uphill and brings you down, then don't you despair, 'cause God's always there to share in your prayer.
Sharing your prayer.
This is my prayer today. May the Lord guide and pave your way with fragrance of life, conceived in His light for always. If you find there's no place to hide from oceans with changing tide, then don't you despair, you'll find Him there. Just reach out in prayer.
Reach out in prayer.
This is my prayer today. May the Lord guide and pave your way with fragrance of life, conceived in His light for all.